to pick up one of our favorite desserts for Orecchio and Loredana. Dark chocolate and roasted nuts at Verna. I'm thinking that's how you pronounce it. Ciao!
Ready.
Orecchio and Loredana, they really love this particular dessert it's black chocolate on nuts or something.
Oh, sounds wonderful.
Another one of our favorites.
Yeah.
Right here. And they serve Ionian coffee.
Or
And they're really, really nice.
Ionian coffee. Oh, this is cute.
Come in, babe. Nice, eh?
Nice. Look at that gelato. Getting ready for Easter, looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Do it. And the chocolate, the dark chocolate.
Yeah, sì.
Yes.
Yeah. Dolce.
Dolce.
Sì.
Take away, yes.
Sì.
Take away. And then a dozen of those chocolates.
There we go.
How much was it, John?
Dolce.
Oh, $12.50? Was that fun?
That was fun.
Favorite fishmonger in Reposto, Rosario, always gives us the freshest fish, and it is absolutely superb. Favorite fish market, monger? Favorite fish store? Rosario.
Buongiorno.
How are you?
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. I want to make something for Loredana
Okay.
and Orecchio today at noon. So, are these fresh?
Fresh. Everything you see.
Okay,
Fresh.
I want
All.
yes, all.
Okay.
These small. What are these small ones called again, Orecchio?
This
Right,
the name. I forget the English. It's triglia.
Triglia?
Triglia.
Does that mean small?
Triglia?
Small, similar to the fly.
Ah, so we're going to get a bunch of these too. These are the ones that Orecchio calls confish.
Okay. I love
And
those.
I'm going to make those today.
Okay, excellent.
Perfect.
Perfecto.
With veggies. These are not the confish.
Love those.
These are different fish. And the confish are the little flat ones, but we're going to make them anyway. They're so good.
Come stai? Brava!
Peter!
Ciao! Dove è Orecchio? Dove è
No,
Orecchio?
no Orecchio
no
today.
Orecchio, no?
Tomorrow.
Ah, oggi no, ok. Sto facendo le foto.
Maggio, aprile,
A maggio andate via?
That's it.
Thank you very much.
Donna's friend, and he's always here with his little truckster.
He's fabulous.
Very
Love him.
fabulous, yeah.
And all his friends. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno signore.
Lemone? Lemone? Sì.
Quattro.
Yeah, quattro.
Ok.
Perfect. And one kilo. You're gonna get some more peas, John. Okay.
Absolutely, yeah.
You ask for 4 lemons. He always throws in an extra 1 or 2. You're a pretty amazing character.
5 euro.
5?
5 euro. Ok.
Yeah. Oh, they're just getting putting in a euro so that we can park over here. And We were just parked out front over there, and everybody says, "No, don't park there, don't park there." And then, sure enough, where that guy is sitting over there, the police came. We were gone 10 minutes. He was there trying to give us a ticket, and everybody here, everybody that knows us, starts, "No, no, no! They're coming right away! Don't give them a ticket." It was pretty cool.